9 Home remedies for natural colon cleansing. The colon is a very important organ in the digestive system. Its job is to take water, salt, vitamins, and nutrients out of the food that cannot be digested, break down the food that was not digested in the small intestine, and remove solid waste from the body. But when the colon doesn't work properly, it takes in toxins, instead of removing them, causing problems like constipation, gas, headaches, low energy, weight gain, bloating, fatigue, and chronic illnesses. Today, most of the food that we eat are full of preservatives, additives, and other chemicals that weren't digested and create problems. That leads to buildup of mucus in the colon, creating the toxins that poison the body. There are few home remedies for colon cleansing that can help in getting rid of bad toxins. It will also give you energy and help the body take in vitamins and nutrients. Ask your doctor prior using these colon cleansing remedies if you are taking any medications. 1. Water. Using water is one of the easiest and safest ways to cleanse the colon naturally. Drinking plenty of water and staying hydrated is a great way to regulate digestion. People who support a water flush for colon cleansing recommend drinking 6 to 8 glasses of lukewarm water per day. Also try eating plenty of foods high in water content. This includes fruits and vegetables like watermelons, tomatoes, lettuce, and celery. This will help your body flush out the harmful toxins and waste in a natural way. 2. Chia and flax seeds. Chia and flax seeds are superfoods that are high in fiber. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that reduce inflammation in the colon and remove the built-up toxins. You can add a teaspoon of the seeds in water and drink the mixture, make a pudding, or sprinkle them over salads. Flax seeds help force out the toxins and mucus as the waste passes through. It can also block cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Soak a tablespoon of chia seeds in 1 cup water for 5 to 10 minutes so the fiber can perform its optimum function by absorbing water. Mix the seeds in about 1 cup of yogurt. Consume this mixture 4 times a day for about 4 weeks to cleanse the intestinal tract. Performing a colon cleanse is vital because it doesn't only eliminate bacteria and improves digestion, but also promotes weight loss and prevents various diseases. 3. Yogurt. Fermented dairy products like yogurt pack gut-healthy probiotics. Eating plenty of yogurt may cut your risk of colorectal cancer. Yogurt, in particular, contains active bacterial cultures, which help maintain the balance between good and bad bacteria to support overall gastrointestinal health. It's also filled with calcium, which may play a role in lowering the risk of colon-related diseases. It can also fight inflammatory bowel disease. 4. Ginger. Ginger has antiseptic properties and is beneficial as it stimulates digestion. It can be added to any juice or can be eaten directly. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger juice and honey, mix it in 1 cup of warm water. This mixture can be consumed twice a day. You can also make a smoothie using 1 tablespoon of peeled ginger, 1 sliced apple, a cup of spinach, and 1 sliced carrot. Blend all these ingredients with 1 cup water and your smoothie is ready. Drink it once a day to ensure proper functioning of the intestinal tract. 5. Fiber-rich foods. Fiber is an essential macronutrient often overlooked in the diet. It's found in whole, healthy plant foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, seeds, and more. Fiber is excellent for keeping your bowels healthy and cleansing the colon by eliminating waste out of our body. You can include grains such as beans, lentils, quinoa, oatmeal, or vegetables like peas, artichoke, Brussels sprouts that are high in fiber. Raspberries, mango, figs, and coconut also help nourish the colon. Fiber will keep the stool soft and help bowel movement. 6. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a great colon cleanser. It has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties which may help to reduce gastrointestinal inflammation. Aloe vera is known for flushing out toxins and acts as a laxative. It can also treat other health problems, like diarrhea, gastric pain, and constipation. Add the juice of 1 lemon to fresh aloe vera gel and mix it well to make a smooth juice. Drink it few times a day for few days for better results. 7. Raw vegetable juice. Juice fasting is an effective way to cleanse the colon. Drinking only raw vegetable juices few times a day will allow your digestive system to rest, and detoxification of the bowel will activate more rapidly. Drink plenty of filtered water as well as juices to stay hydrated. Benefits of raw vegetable juice fasting include losing weight, removing waste stored in the colon, and improving digestion. Green vegetables help force toxins out of the body as they have chlorophyll in it. They also have vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and enzymes which will keep your body healthy and give you energy. You can also drink herbal teas to maintain digestive health. 8. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is very high in vitamin C, so it may be an effective natural colon cleanser. Regularly drinking lemon juice can have a positive effect on digestive health. Mix the juice of 1 lemon, a pinch of sea salt, and a little honey in a glass of lukewarm water. Drink this mixture with empty stomach in the morning. This will give you better bowel movement and more energy. 9. Apple juice. Apple juice is another ingredient for natural colon cleansing. If you drink apple juice all the time, it can help bowel movements, break down toxins, and boost the health of the liver and the digestive system. Try these recipes and let us know if you receive relief or not by visiting our comment section. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon. So keep on watching more videos to get the best natural home remedies.